In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a PTO policy on Gusto. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with admin level access, since standard employee access may not show the settings needed to create or manage time off policies. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm you're on the main dashboard. From there, look to the left sidebar and click Time and Attendance. This is where Gusto organizes tools related to employee hours, time tracking, and leave policies. After opening that section, select Add a policy to begin creating a new policy from scratch. Next, choose Add Time Off Policy. This tells Gusto that you want to build a PTO or leave policy rather than another type of attendance setting. You'll then be prompted to enter the main details for the policy. Start by typing in a clear policy name. Use something descriptive so it's easy to identify later, especially if your company has multiple leave policies. After that, choose whether the policy is paid or unpaid. Then select the accrual type that best matches how your organization handles time off. Your options include hours worked, fixed amount, or unlimited. Once those selections are in place, click Next. On the following screen, configure any optional settings you want to use. These may include waiting periods, which control when employees become eligible to use the policy, negative balances, which determine whether employees can go below zero, and unused time off payout, which affects how leftover balances are handled. Review these carefully so the policy aligns with your company's rules. Then click Next. Now you'll set the PTO accrual rate. This is where you define how time off is earned. Depending on the accrual method you selected earlier, Gusto will guide you through the appropriate setup. If your policy requires limits or changes over time, you can also configure caps and milestones here. Caps help restrict the maximum amount employees can accrue, while milestones can increase accrual based on things like tenure. When everything looks right, click Next. Continue through the remaining setup pages and review each section as you go. Before saving, Gusto will show you a policy summary. This is a good time to double-check the details and make any edits if something doesn't look correct. When you're satisfied with the final setup, click Create Policy or Finish to save your new PTO policy. That's it. Your PTO policy is now set up in Gusto and ready to use. Thanks for watching.